Well, hello everyone and welcome to this guide on the best Dashlane features you should be using. Now, we can agree that a password manager that just saves passwords is just the bare minimum. With AI-driven phishing and credential stuffing attacks at an all-time high, you need a security suite that actually fights back. Well, today we're looking at the best Dashlane features you should be using right now to move beyond basic security and into total digital privacy. We're going to walk you through the essential tools to make Dashlane stand out. From the smart extension and the passkey management to more advanced perks like the built-in VPN and real-time phishing protection. Whether you're a long-term user or just getting started, most people only use about 20% of what this platform can do. I'm here to show you the other 80. At the end of this video, you'll have a vault that doesn't just store data, but actively monitors the dark web and secures your Wi-Fi traffic. Also, if you want to try out Dashlane yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to get 6 months free of the premium plan. This is the best way to unlock every single feature we're about to discuss today. So let's jump into the first feature. Feature 1. The smart extension and the web app. Now, Dashlane has officially transitioned to a web-first experience. This means that the old desktop app is gone and the brain of Dashlane now lives in the smart extension. If you haven't pinned this for your browser yet, you're missing out. What you need to do is to click on the puzzle icon and then make sure you click on the pin on toolbar right here in order to have it appear on your web extension bar easily. This extension gives you a mini vault for quick access to your logins and payments. Before the real power, you need to scroll down and click on Open the Web App. Now this will take you to this page, which is your full dashboard. The navigation is incredibly clean. On the left sidebar, you have primary categories such as logins, passkeys, payments, secure notes, personal info, and IDs. Now the standout here is the autofill engine. Now on the recent updates on Dashlane, it uses machine learning to identify form fields faster than any browser. Now when you see the D icon right here in the text box, just go ahead and click it. It will provide you a list of passwords where you can go ahead and simply select what you want to use in order to log in. It's not just for passwords. It can fill out your entire shipping address and credit card info in one click. If it misses a field, you can right click and select Dashlane, then autofill this field to teach it for the next time, so it learns on the go for where there are isolated mistakes. Feature 2. Password Health and Security Dashboard. Now I'd like to talk about the Password Health tool. This is your command center for fixing bad habits. It gives you a score from 0 to 100 based on your vault strength. Don't just look at the number, look at the categories. Right here you have total, compromised, reused, and weak. You see a login under compromised. This means that the specific site has suffered a data breach. Dashlane doesn't just tell you the problem, it provides a direct link to the site's change password page. This is a proactive feature we absolutely love. Combine this with the password generator. So for example, if you're going over to creating logins, you're going to click on add new, and then when you come to the password, you can see the password generator. Now usually for your passwords, you should be aiming for 16 to 20 characters with symbols and numbers. Dashlane stores the password history too, so if a site update goes wrong and your new password doesn't save correctly, you can look back at your password generator history to find the previous one. In order to use it, you just simply need to click on the generate password. Right there, it has created a password for you, and you can use this to create strong passwords that can be safe and hard for hackers to get through. You could also see the type, whether you want a password or passphrase. You could also extend the length to 33 just by simply using the slider to move it to 33. The limit is 40 and you can see it changes right here, or you'd like to have all of them. Then of course, you could decide to generate another password if you don't want the first one right there. And you can see that the passwords have changed as we're clicking generate another password. So this takes you off the headache of thinking about difficult passwords to use which will be able to safeguard your information. Don't forget that if you want to get these premium features right now, you can use my link in the description to get 6 months of Dashlane Premium for free. It's the easiest way to see if these features fit your lifestyle without any risk. Now I'd like to discuss the heavy-hitting privacy features like VPN and dark web monitoring. These are exclusive to the paid tiers, so if you're on a trial or basic plan, this will not work. However, these are key features that are important for anyone who's interested in using Dashlane 100%. Now once we go over to the left side panel, we're going to click on dark web monitoring. This is one of the most powerful features here on Dashlane. While other managers might give you a one-time scan, Dashlane provides real-time crawling. You can add up to 5 email addresses to monitor. Dashlane systems constantly scan over 20 billion records leaked in breaches. The second your info is found on a hacker forum, you get a push notification on your phone and an alert in the web app. What makes this different is the steps it takes for remediation. Dashlane will tell you exactly what was leaked, whether it was just a password or if your physical address or SSN was included. It then prioritizes which accounts you need to secure first. This is proactive security that works while you're asleep. Our next feature is the built-in VPN. Still on the left side panel, once you click on VPN, you see the feature right there. Now, most people don't realize that a Dashlane premium subscription actually includes a full VPN powered by Hotspot Shield. Now, this isn't just a gimmick. It's a high-speed VPN that normally costs around $10 a month on its own. It's essential for when you're in a public Wi-Fi area, maybe a coffee shop, an airport, or hotel. You just need to turn on the VPN, as this encrypts your entire internet connection and not just your Dashlane data. It also has a kill switch setting which cuts your internet, ensuring you never accidentally leak your location or data. If you're already paying for a separate VPN, you might be able to cancel it and save money just by using the built-in option here on Dashlane. Our fifth feature is the passkeys logins. Now here on the left sidebar, you also have the passkeys. Dashlane has fully integrated passkey management into the browser extension and the mobile apps. When you go to a site like Google, Amazon, or eBay, they might ask you to create a passkey. Instead of saving a password, Dashlane saves a unique cryptographic key. The next time you log in, you don't type anything. You just use your Face ID, fingerprint, or Windows Hello. And Dashlane handles the handshake. It's essentially unphishable because there is no password for the hacker to steal. And for your actual Dashlane account, make sure to check out passwordless login. You can now set up your mobile device as your key. Instead of typing your long master password every time you open your browser, Dashlane sends a notification to your phone. You can tap approve, use biometrics, and you're in. It's faster, more secure, and means you'll never get locked out because you forgot your master password. To wrap this up, Dashlane has moved from being a simple password manager to a complete identity protection suite. Compared to free browser-based managers, Dashlane offers significantly better autofill accuracy, dark web monitoring, and a VPN that browsers just don't include. If you're a power user or someone who travels often, the premium plan is the best choice for that built-in VPN. If you're managing a household, then you can go with the family and friends plan that covers up to 10 people for an incredible value. Don't forget that if you want to get these premium features right now, you can use my link in the description to get 6 months of Dashlane Premium for free. It's the easiest way to see if these features fit your lifestyle without any risk. We hope you found this helpful and you've learned what you can use with your Dashlane, whether you're a beginner or using Dashlane as an existing user and you'd like to try some things out. Go ahead and do this, and we'll see you in the next one.